They had all of them, Joe. Wait till you see the other one, but they had all of them.
Not all of them.
What are you doing?
Wormhole and Mittens.
Yeah.
Cabbage Patch Kids.
Baby.
Yeah, the baby's on the floor.
All tied up in string.
They didn't have brown paper packaging.
A hairbrush. See?
Oh my god. Is that an original?
Isn't that cool? I'm looking, I want them all! They had the bright copper kettles and Wormhole and Mittens and...
Stay on your nose and eyelashes.
Silver white winters that melt into spring, they don't, you can't package that. This guy was lovingly packed.
That probably wasn't a very good picture of me and my mouth open.
Pictures taken still.
It's video.
Oh.
So it's really wide open.
Oh.
So nice.
For a long time.
Whoa. Good job. I'll fix you that.
Great idea, eh? The candle?
Really cool.
That's cool.